Look at all these things. Look at the carnage. Look at the carnage. Look. Okay, look at that.
Can.
Look at our garbage can. It's that green thing. That's our garbage can. And look over there. I wonder what happened. Look at all this. We need to... Oh, whoa. Oh my god, it destroyed that birdhouse.
Oh, yeah.
Dang it, I like that birdhouse. Hello. I'm Kay. I am going to be like your host, I guess, for this episode. I'll be right back. So,
we are cleaning up from the wreckage.
Yeah. Here is some of the real wreckage. All that stuff right there. That's a lot of things right there. But so those are all things that just fell and blew from the trees in the front yard and backyard. Those bushes, they used to have leaves on them yesterday. Yeah, yesterday these had leaves on them. So, this is where our fence broke. It just completely broke right there. Well, not completely, but it... Look. Wow, a tree fell on it. That's what happened, and that caused it to be like this.
Oh my god, it destroyed that birdhouse!